Alright, this is that Murano again. Remember I said I was going to check for the misfire? Well, this guy right here, originally, because I found out who the tech was and I talked to him. This guy was actually back here, but when he came in today, he had a misfire in cylinder 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to, after I fix the valve cover, is leave this guy here, because this came out of cylinder 5, marked it for 5, and see if the misfire moves. And yes, keep in mind, all those rear spark plugs are under this guy, so this guy's got to come off. It's a pain in the butt. It's got a bunch of hoses and everything that has to come off too, but we're going to see if that fixes it, going from cylinder 1 to 5 to now 6. Let's see what happens.